2024. The brass looks different on these. Maybe I'll compare it from an older one. I was saying in the last video, oh shit, I did a knife video where I cut some water bottles. Yeah, you can check that out if you're interested. I need some subscribers and some likes, so I'm showing off. I don't do it often, but you know, whatever. But yeah, the Zippo, it's like a matte finish, or they just like treated the brass a little bit differently. You'll see what I mean. But 2024, the other one I have is from 2007. I got it in like 2008, Lollapalooza type of thing. It's windproof if you get the wick right. There we go, got a nice breeze coming. And it does get hot, so yeah, you hold it by the lid. Just learn how to trim your wick. She's windproof. I remember growing up, I saw a bunch of people always doing those like lighter tricks. So badass. Right? Orion. Feel like a greaser. Or a pirate. I guess I'll show you. It's not really that hard. You basically create pressure. You squeeze the lid and the bottom really hard, and then you let go. But you have to like snap your fingers in a way and then end off like that, and that's pressure. I guess that potential energy you create right there just kind of rebounds that lid and gets it open. So I use 2 fingers and I squeeze really hard. This lid is fucking hot for me holding that lighter open though, but you squeeze really hard and then practice. But make sure you do it in the grass because it'll fly out of your hands when you're learning.